Hi, Coach. I'd like to ask about the expectations that have been on your team. Your team has been spoken about a lot about the final. So is that something that you were aware of?
We think we will play the great team, Egyptian team. We saw the game today, the semi-final. First of all, we did the job today. I'm happy. I'm very happy about the defense. Our defense today, they scored only 46 points. Mentality is very good in the team. So we are focused now on the final game, 50%, 50%. So we have to be ready for this game. We know it will be hard, but we are here for the title.
Next up is Ethan Bashulia.
Coach and the player, congratulations. You're meeting your North African neighbors, if I may say, Zamalek tomorrow. What are your expectations ahead of the finals? Thank you.
So as I told you, we will play a great team. We know the team, we know the player, we know already all the players, foreigners and Egyptian players. They have four foreigners. They have players from the national team, Egyptian national team. We have a good team also, and we are focused and we are ready to win this title. So we are here to win the championship.
I already know all the players of Zamalek because I already play in Egypt and they are playing also with the former Walter Hodge and Fakwade. I know them because I play with them and against them. So I know the league also, I know the players. They play like similar type of basketball like Tunisia. They play tough, they play aggressive. They play more focused in offense and in defense than other teams. I think for me, like a player, I have enough experience. I am caring only about my team because it's not easy. Believe me, I played like for 14 years. My years is really difficult because I never play with like 12 players. 12 players that can be like MVP in any game, and 12 players that can play anywhere in all the world. So it's really hard. How we show like we play as a team. If tomorrow we play like a team, we put same energy in defense and same energy in offense, and we share the ball. I think we don't have problem. But like I told you, I care only about ourselves. If we think away, like it's the final, we need to show ourselves or something like this. We cannot play a good game. But if we play like a team, we'll show like really good basketball. Because I trust the guys. They make a lot of sacrifice. They love each other. So we need to show it tomorrow in the game.
Thanks. A question from Etienne.
C'est une question pour Martin. Une chose que je trouve un petit peu paradoxale, c'est que Egon nous avait dit que vous avez des petits problèmes d'ego parfois, que vous avez vu l'entraînement avoir un entraînement un peu houleux. Moi, je trouve que ça dit des mauvaises habitudes peuvent nous tuer. Et pourtant, vous êtes sur le terrain, vous êtes quasiment injouable. Ouais, il a eu un gros match, aujourd'hui c'est Omar. Vous arrivez toujours à trouver et à mettre en valeur le joueur qui est le plus chaud, qui est le plus en confiance. Et du coup, finalement, on n'a jamais vu ces problèmes d'ego.
Oui, c'est ça. Pour moi, c'est ça le plus important à chaque fois. Parce que le joueur, lorsqu'il voit ce tournoi-là, il voit les entraîneurs qui regardent partout dans le monde, des agents qui sont contrats pour l'année prochaine. Donc, le joueur, parfois, il prend un petit corner pour lui. Et c'est ça le plus important. Pour moi, comme je disais, c'est 7 joueurs en équipe nationale avec 4 étrangers.
The thing is that you never had a break of 2 days in between. You plan sometimes.
Comme je te disais, c'est la seule équipe qu'on joue avec un seul étranger au début de la match. Et on a 3 étrangers avec 7 internationaux. C'est pas facile. Donc, pour moi ou pour tout le staff, on essaie tous les jours de dire les mêmes choses pour ne pas avoir des problèmes au cours d'un match. Sincèrement, pendant tous les matchs, on a montré que nous sommes une équipe solidaire, on joue ensemble et on partage la balle. Et ça fait 5 matchs qu'on a joué. 5 matchs, chaque fois, il y a un MVP différent. Et il y a des scoreurs différents. Par exemple, aujourd'hui, on a retrouvé Omar Abeda avec 18 points. Il était le meilleur dans le championnat de Tunisie, le meilleur ailleurs en finale de la Coupe. Donc, pour moi, c'est le plus important. Qui est prêt, il va jouer, et on va jouer pour lui. Si Omar il est en forme, ou elle est en forme, on va jouer pour lui. Si Radouen est en forme, on va jouer pour lui. C'est ça, le plus important, c'est chaque fois de répéter la même chose. Parce que la mentalité en Tunisie, c'est pas la même mentalité en Europe, par exemple. le joueur sache son rôle dans l'équipe. Il doit faire ça, il doit faire ça, il doit faire ça. Nous, en Tunisie, tu dois répéter, et spécialement qu'on a 4-5 joueurs qui sont un peu jeunes, ils n'ont pas assez d'expérience. Donc, pour nous, les joueurs âgés, on essaie de donner le plus pour l'équipe et on essaie de contrôler les choses.
So we have a winning mentality, like we did in local championship and local cup. We have a winning mentality. C'est vrai qu'on a parfois quelques problèmes dans l'entraînement pour rectifier les faiblesses, nos faiblesses. So, on a une mentalité de championnat, a winning mentality. As you look on our games, every game we are tough in defense. We share the ball in offense. So we keep going. We keep going for the next game.
So just to sum up, the question was actually relating to the fact that it has appeared that during practice there may be some tension between players, but actually that tension doesn't transpire on the court. And my friend was saying, they play as a team. Everybody knows its role. Whatever happens during the practice court is on the practice court during the match, because they know each other. They're probably the only team which is mostly made up of national local players. They know each other and they know which role each one has to play. And throughout the tournament, different players have been able to step up and sort of carry the team.
Question?
Yes.
A question for my friend. First 10 minutes, US was still led by 2. Then on the second quarter, you start 17 all run, and then the game was almost over. Do you think was that the difference? What was the difference between US Monastir and the Patriots?
I think we prepare our game really good, and we know Gassama. I play with him like more than 10 years. He's a very good shooter, so we are trying to put pressure in him, try to deny him. So we put too much energy in defense, and after in the last like 4 or 5 seconds, we relaxed it a bit. So we have like some crazy shot from 10 meter or 11 meter. They scored. So when we stick between us, we say, hey, even we play like for 20-second defense or 24 seconds. Because now we play only for 18, 19 good defense, and after we let them score like easy. And they have like good percentage from the beginning of the game. They score all of their shots. So we take decision to put more pressure, even to make hard foul to stop the offense, and don't let them take like this crazy shot.
In a few months' time, we'll be back here in Kigali for the FIBA AfroBasket. The draw was yesterday, and your national team is going to play Egypt. You know Egypt quite well.
Yeah, I know.
So, what are your expectations for this AfroBasket, and what do you make of your performance?
I think like Tunisian game, the Tunisian basketball and Egypt team, they work like for 10 years. They work really hard to show for all the world that they need to be in like quarterfinal, semifinal, and final. For us, like Tunisian team, we have chance to have like great coach Mario Palma to go to the African Cup, to win the African Cup with Coach Aleteti and Coach Mario Palma. So we show that in 10 years we have a good level to be in first, second, third team. So we start to play really good. I know the team of Egypt is like I told you, they play the same type of basketball like us. And I know all the people there, they work really hard. They try to put too much money for the young kids to have like in future, like good team, like under 18, under 20. They work really hard. So for me, like player or like Tunisian captain of Tunisia, I want to show like next game against, for example, Egypt or anywhere, that we have really good basketball, that Tunisian people, they work in basketball, and Egyptian people, they work in basketball. This for me is really important. I want to see like 4 or 5 young kids who play outside in Europe for them, maybe after this tournament or after this African Cup. For me, this is a really important thing for me.
Any other question in the room? All right, thank you. Thank you, Coach.
Thank you.
Thank you.